Maharashtra government has raised the ready reckoner rate by average of 3.9% across the state, highest being in Solapur. The new rates will be applicable from April 1st. More details from Anurag Shah coming in. Let's take a look.
Buying a home in Mumbai would be more expensive. Mumbai and across the Maharashtra would be more expensive as the Maharashtra government has increased ready reckoner rate after 2 years. So average hike in ready reckoner rate is 3.89%, and if we talk about area wise, then hike in Mumbai is 3.39%. Navi Mumbai ready reckoner rate increased by 6.75%. Thane ready reckoner rates are up by 7.72%, Nasik by 7.31%, and the highest increase in ready reckoner rate is in Solapur by 10.17%. So ready reckoner rate is a rate at which at the government's estimation about the property value. So stamp duty is calculated on the ready reckoner rate, and in Maharashtra stamp duty varies from 5 to 7%. So after the increase, there will be increase in stamp duty collection also, and as per government's expectation, there will be a increase of 10,000 crore revenue after the increase in ready reckoner rate. But in Mumbai, the hike is at 3.39% only, and Solapur has seen the highest hike of 10.17%.
All right, now staying on the topic of ready reckoner rates, Hiranandani Group founder and chairman Niranjan Hiranandani explains how these new rates will impact markets in an exclusive chat on ET Now. Let's listen in.
I think the government's revenues will go up, because they're wanting that increase in to take place. So they want to do more collection in terms of various taxes, charges, development charges, additional FSI charges, and others which are being taken from the government. They want to have more collection. So that's the real objective of this entire exercise that is done. And that is what they say also. They're quite open about it, that we want to collect more taxes from the people. Now, the question is, do you want to create more affordable housing, or do we want to collect more taxes? I think a balance required to be done between the two. And I think over a period of time, if you remember, during COVID time, they had reduced the stamp duty and other charges by 50%. The collections, in fact, went up because more sales took place and the prices were slightly more affordable in that period. Now, again, these taxes are going up, and the 100% charges are being levied. So obviously the prices will continue to go up over a period of time.